We are taking a look at the Bitcoin Cash US dollar pair. That's symbol BCH USD, currently trading at 111.19 US dollars. And so here, this is the daily chart, and we can see here that it is here on a since it's been moving down since about February of this year when it was at 153. And with each swing now, every time it swings up, it makes a lower high. You can see that high there is lower than that high, and that high there is lower than this high, and so on. So but the lows are not. The lows, some are higher, some are lower. So we have a support level here. This is the lowest low here. So if we bring this right here, okay, and it's pretty close to this one here. Neither of them closed below this. So if we brought this up to the close, they're pretty close. Okay, and right now it's right at the closing lows, okay, of these 2 points here. So this is a support level here, and it's straddling that. And so right now the general market direction is down, and this one here, it never really was in an uptrend. It's just kind of trading in this range, so we have to trade it in the range here, and there's still plenty of room here for a short trade. And so when we look at some of the big bellwethers, like for example, when we just looked at here is Bitcoin Australian dollar, and we could see that it is following through on the reversal pattern. Here's the head and shoulders. Here's the last the move down, the last little bump up before it makes a big move down, and it's following through. We've got plenty of momentum. There's not a lot of resistance left. It is following through. But when we look over at Bitcoin US dollar, it's still at the neckline, and it looks like it wants to break down. It's definitely primed for it, but it hasn't yet. But it looks like it's going to, and when it does, very likely that Bitcoin Cash will come down with it, at least enough for a trade. So if we look at the 60-minute here, we've got a slight little bounce here where we can enter here on the short side and try to capture some of this movement here. We can use this here at this high here at 123.68 as a stop loss, and use this level down here. That would be the lowest low of this move here, where you get some support at 95.16. And probably a good idea to just take profit there, because below that, the last support level is 77.07, and that's the low, that's historical low. Or you can put a trailer and just let it trail it as far as it'll go until it comes back and takes and executes the profit trailer.